Show your brain to be creative. Hey dear unique, dear friend, welcome to my channel. This is Amira. Show your brain to be creative. If you can't write on a piece of paper, these things are the things I want and need to achieve. Forget about it. Just forget about it, because you can't achieve something you can't write on a piece of paper, because your brain doesn't understand it and thinks it's a dream, just a dream. You have to write, you have give your brain the food that you want and that you are serious. You are writing and planning for it. You need to set a clear and transparent picture with a plan for your brain to see, to touch, to understand. You need to create a meaningful connection between what you desire and what needs to come true. For your brain to understand, you need to make a plan, because without a plan, you will not achieve anything. If you believe you won't achieve, if you believe you won't make it, you won't, and you won't write on a piece of paper. You easily ignore it, which means it doesn't matter, and it doesn't matter to your brain also. And that's true. If you truly believe you can achieve it, you will determine what steps you need to take. What are the important goals that need to be achieved, your brain believes when you determine. Write down on a piece of paper and take action. Be serious. Your brain prepares to create the necessary energies for you and alert you to situations that could be opportunities. You are constantly reminded and you don't forget. So what? So you don't wait. You take action and create. So be creative, as I said. Show your brain to be creative. Show your brain to be creative. Yeah, I think this is it. Dear unique, thanks for watching. Thank you. I love you.